Good morning. Today we are going to construct our graph for the graphing water phase change. First thing you're going to need to do is turn your graph horizontal because we want it looking long ways. And when we look at our data table, we see that the calories per gram, the energy that goes into the water, is actually the independent variable. And the independent variable is always going to go down on the x-axis. So we label our x-axis down here, calories per gram. The other data point you have is temperature of the water in Celsius. That is your dependent variable. So that goes over on the y-axis. And that's temperature in degrees Celsius. When I counted up the number of lines, we had 28, and the highest number for calories per gram was 800. So doing a quick calculation, we see that we can do 30 calories per gram per line. So what that means is I start at 0, I go to 30, then 60, then 90, then 120, all the way down till I get to 800 right here. Fill in the rest of these numbers all the way up to 800. On the y-axis for the temperature, we're not going to actually start at 0 down here because we have some negative temperatures. So we're actually going to start at negative 20 because that's as low as we need to go. And there were 19 lines, so doing a quick calculation, I see that I can do 10 degrees per line. So negative 20, negative 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, and you're going to have to go all the way up to 120. That's the highest that our temperature goes in the data. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So you're going to go up here up to 120, filling all of these lines in right here. Now we want to graph our data. The first data point that we have is a temperature of negative 20 and 0 calories per gram. So I find negative 20, 0 calories, and I just put a dot right there. The next data set is 0, a temperature of 0, and 30 calories. So here's my calories, here's 30, and 0 temperature is right there. So I put my point. The third piece of data says a temperature of 0 again, and this time it's 60 calories per gram have been added. So we've got 60 calories per gram, 0 again, so I put a line there. And then you're just going to keep graphing each of these data points till you get all the way across through all of your data. At that point you can connect the dots and see what kind of pattern emerges. If you have any other questions about making the graph, just let me know, and I can help you with the rest of the construction. Thank you very much.